Welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain the UNIONBANK online app review to see with what you're using. Just quickly dive into it. Talking about the UNIONBANK online app, it offers a full suite of digital banking tools, checking balance, transferring funds, paying bills, and using new features like mobile tap to pay for contactless transaction. It's particularly useful if you are already a customer of Union Bank of the Philippines and you want to manage your bank on the go. However, many users report persistent issues like slow performance, delay or missing OTPs, failed transaction, and poor customer service when problems arise. Ultimately, the app worth using if you need mobile access with modern features and can tolerate occasional tech hiccup. But if you prioritize flawless execution and support, you may find it frustrating at times. And that's it. I find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.